Namaste, welcome to RSV Group of Schools YouTube channel. Today we will discuss Mathematics Class 8 Chapter 2 Linear Equation in One Variable. In this chapter today we will discuss some word problems. That is the first one example. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. First of all we will discuss about the rational number, that what are the rational number. A number that can be written in the form of P upon Q. A number that can be written in the form of P upon Q. That is known as rational number. For example, 3 upon 5, 5 upon 7, like that. These all are rational number. Now we will move to the question again. The denominator of a rational number, as we know that the rational number is written in this form, so that is numerator and Q is the denominator. Okay, now the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. Denominator is greater than numerator. So we will take numerator as x according to the given statement. Let numerator be x and the denominator is equals to x plus 8 according to given statement is greater than numerator by 8. Now we will write them in the form of rational number, that is x upon x plus 8. Now the question has said, if the numerator is increased by 17, means according to question we can say if the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1 and the denominator is decreased by 1, okay, the number obtained is 3 upon 2. The number, after solving it, the number which is obtained, that is 3 upon 2. So find the rational number, means we have to find out numerator and denominator values. How we will solve it? You can see, first of all we will solve this. That is x plus 17 upon 8 minus 1, that is 7. That is x plus 7, because 8 is the greater value, is equals to 3 upon 2. Now we will do the cross multiplication at there. 2 is multiplied by x plus 17 and 3 is multiplied by x plus 7. 2 multiplied by x, 2x, 17 to the 34, 3 multiplied by x, 3x, 7 3 are 21. Now as we know very well, we have to just put values at variables at one side and the single constant at another side. So I will take this 21 at that side. So that is 34 minus 21 is equals to, and this sending this to 2x in equal sides, so that is also converted in the form of negative sign. So 34 minus 21, that is 13, and 3x minus 2x, that is 1x. So I can write at there x. Okay, so that is the value of x which we will find out. Now that is the value of x, and what is x? X is the numerator. So numerator is equals to x is equals to 13, which we will find out, and the denominator is equals to x plus 8, which is 13 plus 8, and which is equals to 21. Okay, so that is numerator and that is denominator, and the question has told that find the rational number, so the number is 13 upon 21. Okay students. Okay, now let me discuss the second example, which is based on ages. the age of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. Means the present age of Hari and Harry are given, that is in the ratio 5:7. So let me take present age of Hari is equals to 5x, because the age is in the ratio, so that is 5x, and the present age of Harry is equals to 7x. Now the question has told 4 years from now, means we have to just discuss about 4 years from now. Okay, if we are just 4 years from now, okay, if we are just discussion about 4 years from the present age, so we have to add 4 in Hari age and 4 in Harry age also. So age of Hari is equals to 5x plus 4, and age of Harry is equals to, that is 7x plus 4 we have. Okay, now the ratio of their ages, and as we know very well that the ratio is always written in the form of division, so we will take, according to question, 5x plus 4 upon 7x plus 4 is equals to, the ratio of their ages will be 3 upon 4, that is 3:4. Okay, so that is the equation, and now we will solve them by doing cross multiplication method. We will multiply this 4 by this one, 5x plus 4, and this 3 by 7x plus 4. Now you can see, when we multiply 5x plus 4 by 4 and 3 by 7x plus 4, we will multiply this 4 by both of these numbers and 3 also by both of these numbers. So 5 4s are 20x, 4 4s are 16, 3 7s are 21x, 4 3s are 12. Now again the same thing which we are using, that put the variables at the same side and the constant or single number at another side in the equal side. So I will take this 12 in equal side and it comes in minus form. So 16 minus 12 is equals to, now I am sending this 20x at this side, so that is 21x minus 20x. Okay, now what we have to take, 16 minus 12 is equals to 4, 21x minus 20x, that is x, as we know very well. So that is the value of x. Now we have to find out the present age, so we will solve it there. 5x, so 5 multiplied by 4, that is 20 years, and 7 multiplied by 4, that is 28 years. That is the present age of Hari and Harry, which we have to find out. Okay, student, positive number is 5 times the another number, means another number is given to us. So let me take another number is equals to x, and the positive number is equals to 5x, because the positive number is 5 times the another number. Okay, now if 21 is added to both, now according to question, 21 is added to both, 5x is equals to x, we have to add 21 at the both side, then one of the new number becomes twice the other new number, means इन दोनों की जो नए numbers आएंगे, that is the twice of this number. Now we have to solve it. First of all, 5x plus 21 is equals to 2x plus 42. Okay, now we will solve it. 5x, that is come at that side, that is minus 2x, is equals to, when we send this 21 at that side, that is 42 minus 21. Now 5x minus 2x, 3x, 42 minus 21, which is equals to 21. Now send this 3 and divide. So 21 upon 3, x is equals to 7 at there. So what is x? X is another number. And what is a positive number which we have? So positive number is equals to 5x, which is equals to 7 5s are or 5 7s are 35. Okay, that is the number which we have. Okay.